hold your end, wrap once around your index finger, and then behind. Hold your end in place. Pull your front loop behind your back loop, and then pull the back loop to create your knot. And it should slip as you pull on your yarn. Magic circle. Wrap around your index finger, wrap behind, hold in position so it doesn't slip. Pull your front loop over your back loop, pull your back loop up, put your hook on the loop, and do a chain to secure. There's your circle. Make sure when you're doing your work into your magic circle that you keep your chain tied in the middle. So here's a single crochet into the magic circle, and I'll do 2 more. And by working around your chain, it allows you to pull, and it should close. Chain. You wrap and pull through. That's 1 chain. This is 2 and 3. Front of the chain, back of the chain bumps. Chains have V's in the front and bumps on their backs. And if you're working in the chain, you can either go right through the middle of a stitch and do your whatever stitch, whether it's single crochet or double crochet. Or if you want a nicer finish, you can work into the bump. And the reason why working into the bump loop at the back of the chain gives a nicer finish is you'll be left with a V on both sides. So if you wanted to do stitch work on the front and the back, like making waves on both sides, it's a lot easier to see. See? These are the ones I just did, where you can see there are stitches on both sides. And this from here, you can't really tell where the stitches are. You can only tell on this side. Slip stitch. Insert your hook under the stitch, wrap, pull through, and pull through. Single crochet. Insert your hook under your stitch, wrap, pull through, so you have 2 loops, wrap, and pull through. Half double crochet. Wrap first and insert your hook under your stitch, wrap, pull through, so you have 3 loops, wrap, and pull through all 3. Double crochet. Wrap, insert your hook under the stitch, wrap, pull through, so you have 3 loops, wrap, remove 2 loops, wrap, remove 2 loops. Triple crochet. Wrap twice, insert hook into your stitch, wrap, pull through, you have 4 loops, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2, and wrap, pull through 2. Double triple crochet. wrap 3 times, insert your hook under your stitch, wrap, pull through, so you have 5 loops, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2, and wrap, pull through 2. Increasing means doing 2 stitches into 1. So an increase for a single crochet increase, you would just do 2 single crochet into the same stitch, like so. So now I have 2 stitches that were originally in 1. If I wanted to do a half double crochet increase, I would do 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2. And this would work for any stitch that you're trying to do an increase in. 2 single crochet together. So we're going to do that for these next 2. That's why it's 2 single crochet together. So insert your hook into your stitch, wrap, pull through, insert your hook into the next stitch, wrap, pull through, wrap, and pull through all 3. What you're doing is you're doing the first part of the single crochet into this one and the first part of the single crochet into this next stitch, and then you're doing the second step of both of them together. So that's how we start our single crochet. Then we're going to do it again and start our single crochet. Even though you have 3 loops, it doesn't matter, because the second part of your single crochet, you wrap and you pull through all loops. That's how it works. 2 half double crochet together, which is a decrease of 2 half double crochet. You will wrap, insert your hook into the first stitch, wrap and pull through. Then we're going to wrap and insert your hook into the next stitch, wrap and pull through. Then you're going to wrap and pull through all 5 loops. And what you're doing is you're doing the first part of the half double crochet in the first stitch and the first part of the second half double crochet into the second stitch. And then you're going to complete both half double crochets together. So I'll show you again. Wrap, insert into your stitch, wrap and pull through. That's the first part of our half double crochet. And then we're going to wrap and do it again into the next stitch and pull through. So we have 5 loops. Now we're going to complete both half double crochets together, because what do? We wrap and pull through all 3 loops. Well, now we have 5 loops, so we just wrap and pull through all 5 loops. From Post Double Crochet, wrap, find your stitch you're going to go around, and insert your hook from the front and then to the back. Yarn over, pull through, so you have 3 loops, and remove 2 loops and remove 2 loops. Back post double crochet. Wrap, find the stitch you want to go around. So we'll be entering into this hole and this hole, but this hole will start off from the back. Back and through the next one. Wrap, pull through both. You have 3 loops. Wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2. Single crochet foundation. Instead of doing a chain and working single crochet into each chain to create your foundation row, you can make a single crochet foundation like so. First you do a chain 2, and then you're going to start by working into the second chain from the hook. So we will do insert our hook, wrap and pull through, so you have 2 loops, And now you're going to have to remember that instead of pulling through like a single crochet, you're going to wrap, pull through the first loop because you're making your chain, and then you're going to wrap and pull through the 2 loops to make your single crochet that goes on top. And then we're going to insert our hook into the chain we just created. And then you're going to wrap, pull through, wrap and pull through the first because we're making a chain, and then wrap and pull through the 2 loops to make the single crochet on top of the chain. Show you one more time. Insert your hook into the chain you just created, wrap, pull through, wrap, do a chain with the first loop, and then wrap and pull through the 2 to do your single crochet on top of the chain. And you can keep doing this until you get the amount of single crochets that you need for your first row. Half double crochet foundation row. Instead of doing a chain and doing half double crochet into each stitch, you can start a foundation row of half double crochet like this. We're going to chain 3 first, and then you're going to wrap and insert your hook into the first chain. Wrap and pull through. And then we're going to wrap and remove the first loop, which is going to create our chain that we're going to work in. And then we're going to wrap and pull through all 3 to do our half double crochet on top of the chain we just created. Then we're going to wrap again to do another one. So we'll wrap and go into that chain we just created, then wrap and pull through. So we have 3 loops. We're going to wrap and create a chain with the first loop, and then we're going to wrap and create half double crochet on top. Okay, let's do it again. So wrap and insert your hook into the chain we just created, wrap and pull through, wrap and remove the first loop that creates our chain, wrap and remove all 3, which creates our half double crochet on top. And you can continue to do this until you have the amount of half double crochet you need for your foundation row. Double crochet foundation row. So right now we are going to chain 4, and then we're going to wrap and go into the first chain, wrap and pull through, so we have 3 loops. Then we're going to wrap and remove the first loop because we've just created a chain. Then we're going to wrap and do our double crochet, which you remove 2 loops and then another 2 loops. So we've done a double crochet on top of a chain. Alright, so let's do that again. So we'll wrap and we're going to go into that chain we just created, and then we're going to wrap and pull through, so we have 3 loops. Then we're going to wrap and remove the first loop, which creates the chain we're going to do our double crochet on top of. Then we're going to wrap and pull through 2, wrap and pull through 2, which is our double crochet that goes on top. And we'll do it one last time. Wrap and insert into the chain you just created, wrap, pull through, wrap, create a chain, and then do your double crochet on top. And you can continue to do this for as many double crochet you need in your foundation row.